How to see your current password on Roblox from your mobile device. So first you want to open up your Google Chrome application on your phone and then click on your profile logo. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Then scroll down and under passwords and autofill, click on Google Password Manager. And this should open up your password manager. Now from here you want to basically search for Roblox like that, and then you can see there is 3 accounts saved right here. It will ask you to authorize to see the passwords, and from here you can basically see your saved accounts, and if you press the eye icon under the username it should display your password, and the button next to it should allow you to copy the password. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.